Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl, the one and only Chanel. So I received a package that came in the mail today. It's called Curl Mix. Not sure if you guys heard of it, but they are located in Chicago, Illinois. Black owned business, so I decided to check them out. So Curl Mix has product line for women with natural beauty hair. Women with natural beauty hair. Okay, so the owner is, of course, a Black African American. It comes with instructions, a universal. I guess I gotta go here and check it out and see what I can knowledge and what knowledgeable information that I can get from to get started using the products basically. Um, so they have like a quiz before you buy the items. They have like a quiz that you can do, and based off the quiz determines what product you would need. So by me having a sensitive scalp, you guys know, if you've been following me, you know that my scalp can be sensitive to some products, and that I have learned. So I didn't want to waste my money and stop using a product because it was very sensitive to my scalp. So I got products that are sensitive to scalp. So this should work very good for me. So this right here is shampoo. This is some clarifying, remove buildup, fragrance free shampoo. All right. So I want to smell this and see. So I'm going to open this and see. It says fragrance free, so it has a little smell to it, but okay. The smell isn't, uh, fruity type kind of smell, scent or whatever, but it does has a scent to it. Uh, so these products are organic products. Um, Came in a little nice, little cute little box. You can see the packaging, real cute. All right. This is the conditioner, which is step 3. I'm sorry, step 2. um, the conditioner smells a little lighter. It's not as scented, well, not scented, because it's not scented. It smells lighter than the shampoo. Conditioner smells lighter. It was something that I wanted to say. I can't remember. This is the serum because I purchased the serum separately. All right. Now, the serum here is for regrowth. So hopefully this helps to grow out your hair or whatever the case may be. I have to find out how to use these products. I'm kind of familiar with how to use the products now. That's what I want to say. These products you do not use the same way how you just shampoo your hair and rinse it out. These products are not used in that sense. There's instructions that require you to read and follow to get the proper results that you should be getting. And I'm going to go into a little bit more details about as far as, what kind of results that you should be seeing. This one here is the moisturizer. So, we all need some moisturizer to our hair. I'm going to see what this smells like. Okay, it's not strong. It smells kind of like clay almost. Almost smell like clay, but it's not strong at all. I'm not going to say too strong. It's not strong at all. The only thing that I've smelled that was a little strong was the shampoo, but it wasn't like chemical like that kind of strong. It's just a scent. All of these are fragrance free. This is the gel, uh, flax seed gel. Okay, so let's see. This is the grape seed conditioner, and this is the avocado moisturizer. So that's why they have different scents, different smell. It's fragrance free, but let's just say they have different smells to them. Okay. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna open this up and see how that smells too. But this one right here, flaxseed gel. So let's open this up. Did I open it up yet to see what it smells like? I'm not sure. Oh, that smells very good. I like that. This smells very good. You want to smell it? You can smell it over there because you don't have a. Okay. So, it smells very good. This is the shampoo. The shampoo, like I said, the shampoo is a little bit more stronger. It's a little bit more stronger scent. Okay, so this smells very good. Okay. And let's open up the serum to see what the serum smells like. And the serum, the moisturizer is the avocado. I don't think I opened, did I smell? Yeah, I did smell that. I believe I smelled that. Okay, let's see. Okay, that don't smell too bad. That don't smell too bad. Would you like to smell that? Be careful, hold it so you don't. That don't smell too bad. It don't smell like it's something like, ooh, I ain't gonna put that in my hair no more. It don't smell like that. So that you don't have to worry about. Okay, and all of this is for sensitive scalp. So before, it's like if you decide to order these things, order stuff like this for your hair or whatever, it basically helps your hair to have a curl pattern. If you have natural hair with no chemicals like relaxers in it and things like that, it's good for, it helps bring out the curls that you have in your natural hair. And there are some very deep instructions that you will need to follow. Okay, they have even a university, okay, website where you want to go to and follow, take the class. They even have a Facebook group, so look them up on Facebook. And before you decide to even purchase, before you even use the products, you know that your hair got to get used to, and that's just not just with these products, but with any products, your hair has to get used to the product in order for you to actually see the results that you actually should be expecting to see. Okay, so like they say like, I want to say 3 washes, then 3 washes or more, then that's when you should be able to tell a difference with each wash. And you basically washing your hair once a week, and you should be able to see the difference. If you don't see the difference the first time, continue to keep trying it. Okay, don't give up. So I did learn that, and I'm gonna be doing some tutorial videos. I'm gonna be doing some videos just so that you guys can see me washing and putting in my step 1 to step 4, and then the serum. I'm going to use the serum too, but I'm going to be doing some videos, and they do recommend you to do this stuff in the shower. And especially if you have enough time on your schedule to do your hair, you definitely want to invest in this product line, especially when you've seen results of others, and you are a person that will give it a try and not give up on the first round or second, third, fifth, fourth, sixth, whatever round. I want to see results. So I'm excited. So I'm going to end this video, and I will come back later and show you everything. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be looking out for videos that I'm going to be doing on CurlMix. Okay. And it says, refer a friend, you get a free full-size pure flaxseed gel, and then you as the person, they will get 20% off of their first order. So you can refer 12 friends for the year worth of free flaxseed gel. So that's pretty cool. Okay. And yeah. And that's about it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll do that video in a couple of weeks, maybe. In a couple of weeks. Yeah, because I just got my kit in the mail today. I'll check you guys later. Bye now.